What happens here isn't magic. It feels that way because when people revolt against the traditional ways of teaching and imagine a better way, magic can happen. In this sense, this campus is full of magic. It's PES. PES College of Engineering was established in 1994 with an aim to set up a standard intellectual education and to promote great opportunities to the aspiring students to avail the best education. Our institution is accredited by NAAC. In 2019, we are celebrating the Silver Jubilee of PES. PES College of Engineering is affiliated to BATU, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University. Our classrooms are actually celebration sessions promoting innovation beyond invention, industry institute interaction. The PES hosts alumni events throughout the year, and corporate relationships and affiliate programs are ways to involve companies on campus. The college offers BTech in various disciplines such as mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics and telecommunications, and computer science and engineering, and postgraduate programs such as MTech in civil structures, electrical power systems, and computer science and engineering. The college offers opportunity to pursue PhD and research in the field of engineering and technology. Spread across sprawling area of 22 acres, the picturesque campus provides state-of-the-art infrastructure to the students. The library has a comprehensive collection of 36,000 books. Digital library has access to many national and international journals and encyclopedias. Subscription is done to many national and local newspapers and university question papers. We have specific dedicated labs in all our departments such as mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics and telecommunications, and computer science and engineering. Formed in collaboration with IIT Bombay in eYatra Robotics Lab, multidisciplinary students are given project-based training to develop their skills and implement knowledge and skills by making innovative projects and presenting them at national and international arenas. Indo-Euro International Entrepreneur Incubation Center. Indo-Euro International Entrepreneur Incubation Center provides facility to the industry by providing Hadoop cluster with a high configuration setup and a leased line. The college intends to support, nurture, and develop concept stage technology projects by providing the necessary infrastructure facilities and resources. This lab is developed by Texas Instruments, United States of America. Cisco Network Center. The PES has a Cisco Network Training Center as well. The PES houses an authorized Red Hat Center on our campus. Conclave, Indo-Euro International Entrepreneurship Conclave. This center is set up in collaboration with global innovators and entrepreneurs and Mandragon Team Academy in Spain. PES has been making successful strive towards new horizons and aims to scale greater heights under the expert leadership guidance of the management, ever-inspiring principal, competent faculty, and dedicated students. PES is proud of our alumni, some of whom are doing an exemplary work in highly esteemed organizations around the globe. Kaushik Ganguly, he was formerly working with Maruti Suzuki and presently working with the Shanghai-based SUV. Mayur Garg works as a Senior Vice President for Gujarat State Fertilizer and Chemicals Limited. Rahul Kamble is working as Superintendent Engineer with Central Public Works Department. Vinod Chauhan is working as Deputy RTO at Pune. Yashwant Udachan is based in Germany. Arvind Rao is an aeronautical engineer in Netherlands. Kavita Singh, Technical Program Manager in US. Daybird Gill, he is working as the Deputy Director with the Meghalaya government. Narendra Kumar Chobe, he is working as the Director of Technology and Customer Enablement in Mohali, Punjab. Preetam Gogle, Mangesh Niturkar, and Harish Bhojwani are entrepreneurs having their own companies. And Sanjay Mittal, who works as a scientist with ISRO. Step into PES for an invigorating learning experience. Welcome to PES.